Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. We are busia asida enko ema otwede ampo nyame ahweyen so ama ade achi yen wasan man kwan biu se yemra mehia na yemfa na yedwumadie no emre wosonko kwan so kra the community and the law na yedru so live on Facebook BWF Solicitors sanso so na ye live or YouTube BWF Solicitors ye live on so ewo abawa radio so ewo UK ha na BOPAM TV
I will say our network and also so yeah live also NT so when saka link na wa share na obi so ensa akabi. If we record so free pon. Me no betra do hwemi no edi anim na afi ye de dwumadi be community and the law at their bro. And komo no edepa. Na ene mi bisa se eden ena betimi atete wone wonyame ntem sene Bible beka na mi bisa se den ena betimi atete wone wo ma ntem wa bra. Wasitna ewo ye UK ha ana se England no be ana limitation bi wo ho ana se mpo wo indefinite leave na unyanye full British ana bibisa eden ene betimi atete wone wo ma entem and we no nso so me go question me pese me bisa na uyi ano na fe nyina ede aye nimdie eni suahunu ede aboye ntoma no sebe ya emramu enkomodie ene senia nima esikore yebete ase enen nso so ye ne BWF Solicitors na AD enkita ho na fe ye de dwumadi abrewo BWF Solicitors eye emramu enimdefo a we adwuma Monday to Friday free anopa 9:30 ekopem enwumre 6 o'clock ewo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo 7 Sisters postcode na N15 4NP over trainer obefa Victoria line na wasi ewo 7 Sisters we see what 7 Sisters are on top of the train station exit number 2 edo call abrosan your friend Anna house on 4th floor 9:30 to enumerate 6 Monday to Friday we year juma obetimi afre won ewo telephone number so 0208 493 7340 Ana 077 127 61884 BWF Solicitors woboyen ema yete na ema sit na fe nso so woyen hyehyɛ a woni yen edin kita ho ewo media platforms ahodo bebre so yawada yewo Rainbow Radio so ifiada yewo GN Radio so Memenda area 12 no your Heritage TV so na fe edru no nan ya nkasa ye TV BW Communications yen TV ye live ewo BWF Solicitors Facebook and fe BWF Solicitors YouTube no ye de ebrewo yaba ene na enkomo ewo ho why krado try me meba
ye fema ye wo London ya ji abasobodie bebre ne ya redare ewo mransem legal services BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. What BWFDA, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nyedin kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF solicitors kra won Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eya abofrahwemu awarja ye ho twuma mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma so ye child care any family team no nim ya wo famu eweni ya wo bremu enu ntine ye to ye mbo ase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje wo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho wo BWF Solicitors de ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration work permit student visa ho totoye any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasajina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso appointment nkoa free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 7 Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law wa advise local authorities official solicitors office ni solicitors bebre efa Ghanaian law yi na osan yobi a otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law
BWF Solicitors and a 2-1 na watching on social media handles ahodo nina anunti okoswa na like pages ahodo no say BWF Solicitors on Facebook and say YouTube wetimi I like na fi wa click notification button say be ya the other to so bia no wonsa ebeka bi na BWF Solicitors enye say wotena say na ototo niam no ebru yen keke nemum wo mayan adesua titu wabra ewo se yete emra ene ho ensenkyerene ene nkyekyemu no ase na wotwi nso so de wode mayen na legal nugget wode mayen say yenwene ho from the beginning of the weekend was say ye proxy marriage and say aware a meme wo ha na bia ye ware ewo ba bi ade amayen eden ena emra no eka efa ho emra no kyeremu esen me kind brofo na miwia na menua pani ne one yen eba bedi enkomo no wato no bo akyere mu kakra na afi ansana ye de enkomo no ahyehye so na ebiu me san ebisa wo se eden ena betete wone wo ma entem wabra wasetena ewo UK ana bia na ehye bi da so anase ehye enna so a eden ena betimi asia wontimi emfa wo ba anase wo mba emeka ho anase se obetimi ya kwan ben ena ba fa so but me how worry na edidi kan say proxy marriage or civil partnership is where one of the contracting parties has appointed someone or a proxy to represent them in the ceremony. The determination of the validity of such a marriage entered into abroad is divided into two categories. A, the formal validity of a marriage, ex loci or loci celebrations, and the essential validity of a marriage. We one anase wa mo wontrimo keke nemum wotu efri baby na ede by or say apt v apt no court case anya lawyer for no canon 1947 to all ER 677 proxy marriage validity of marriage proxy na can be brebe matise anomo ka CB Brazil ne ade eno ni ana mamenko na afi binia pani lawyer Charles Asmah ewo ha na afi omobroso kakra emfa eman binia mo akwaba we eye nkoma mode to ho eman bi na niso kakra mai
yo me da se bebre binia kweku yo elenso edo yankopon ase so ode a chen yen etiefo na ahwefo ya ma wa akwa mo nyinara akwaba na ye chia yam papa ni ebusun wo BWF Solicitors na and then no senior ode to ho no nugget no efa aware eho titu aware a wankasa wontumi ankobi na yesi obi ngine mu eden emawo ayefa no proxy marriage dodo no a etumi etusa aware no ho anamo cause aware de ebusun na gitumu ana aya aware nti whether you are there or not no aya egitum na wo muni say boni free bibi a general rule and say common law position say on might be ehye na aware embra say obegina we so aye aware and say on my emba no begina so aye aware a say bia krum ha aware nhyehyeye and say Ghana aware nhyehyeye and say on might be also aware nhyehyeye no say on my no aye sovereign state no nti on my bia wo wiase so as I say so my no gi sa aware no kwan no so etumu dia and then mo amaka wo wiase so ese mo yeden mo respect sa on my no ne mbra no na mo gi na ware ekwan no yeden etumu
okay
so enene the form until say yehwemu ane yehwe nyoma mienu a ebema aware no edi emu edi kan no yehwe aware no kwan ye faso yehye which we call form of marriage na ne a emma aware no edi mu what we call essentials of marriage. Form of marriage no baka chro say busuafo te say Ghana aware a customer marriage busuafo gitumu a na ya aware wo ba hanso a aware akwan no so ewo ho nemum apart from the form aware no be take no there are other ingredients as I say edi mu ewo aware no mu
okay
edi kan nkrofo a omo be ware no as I say omo edu omo mfiso nkrofo omo ba ware no enye nkrofo a se bio omo ye enuanom all those things are no very important. Now at the same time, you know, be say mrano beka kwan ya befa so a ese say omo register aware no ewo bebi a nkofo no ete omo ye aware no ano so omo ware no
okay
ntia fa say obi a ote oman bi so na wetu kwan akọ oman bi so na kire say owo two places and I say owo two places original oman no a ofi so no a ogina so aware no ewo ne mra that's what we call the original and I said the law within the country are no dey ebaso and the what the law our country na nkrofo no etia omo besa me dey omo ware is that what Ghana na wo ware the same law will cover you. You are in Ghana law, and you are in Ghana, and therefore it will follow the domiciliary process. Uba krum has so and so uba krum has to be a what's your mind for so now warrior. Apart from say mind I woman mrano ebwa woma ware no the same way mine I what is no and say home rano so she so say because I what you want inti ubasha ehu kwan oba first obetu anamo. You see na when krum has nkrofo warrior be o makwa council. No matter register my worry and I say moko asori mu sa asori no registered to accept or licensed to or officiate marriages no ne adea nti say ye hwe ni nyina mu a na say hu say even though nimpa no eman no allow so ba worry e was sa ekwan no so no baby otene so okay nti baby otene no very very important and the essential aspect no. Nti sa case lawyer ye hwe mienu nyina no na opacha ne say nyoma mienu no say the form of marriage and the essential aspect of the marriage to make the marriage valid. Nti mama obi a simple scenario bi a wuti let's say America na wankasa we Britain eni but wuti America and under normal circumstances no since we are Britain, Britain embrace na oba aware. That's how America. Now one person oba Britain. Now person we na America now then o warrior. It is so be jinemu aware ama for example omoji tum proxy tum a. Na ne wo mu say o America ho na mu mienu nyinara no mu America ho na person mu wo America ho na mu warrior. Kwan ben so na America mra no ehye say mo ware. Okay. In this case no be America mra no baka say mo pese mo nyina mo ware na mo nyina mo wo America man mu dia and mo be ko ha sei no ma ware. Wo ko baby fufuro ekwa ware a na say mra no ma saa baby fufuro no ho ekwan dia and e wontumi nka say aware no valid in terms of essentials. Okay.
Inti ma mi say yamfa no Ghana situation me bia me wa ha. Shia oba fufuro no so ye Ghana ni but yentimi nko nko wari anansa wari na ye hye no busuafo ahia wo fie sene amoche ye mu busuafo agye atum ye betimi ama obi asi anamu e wo Ghana na ma wari ama ye na UK aban agye atum say ye proximity ni bia na
no kre remember obi etimi aginamu e wo Ghana because Ghana emra no efua so say another Marriage Act of Ghana 1884 to 1985 no obaka try say samoye Ghana for mienu na mo pese mo ware a mutumi den e ware e wo amamre ekwan so e mane yeye busuafo no gitumu a anampo se wo ye Ghana ni na wo dofo no efi oman foforo so a ubetumi so aware no e mane ayeden ayeye case law bebre so efu asa asam no eso and the sense say general principle is Ghana aware embra no Ghana gitum e wo ho nti Ghana abanji tumina amamani na amanfo ni na gitum nti esese o mindful frost so edem agitum but what about say mumienu na mo ware no baako ese mumie baako wo Ghana na se baako o mindful frost so a mubetumi aware proxy no mana yeye okay mbo follow Ghana process no aba say mumienu nyina no mo wo mindful frost so
nti no sa no ye gitum UK aban ba gitum
no you apart from say yeje o mine no a mumienu nyina mufi so no aware mbra no atumu no ese say hwe say mumienu nyina mo wo ekrom ha na muntumi enko mu krom enko ware enko sensan ne ade no ko pros ni say ba ko ho na ba ko ebusafu no gine mu ayde nti say ko beso saa mumienu na mo wa ha no anase mo wo saa o mine no mu no ehin na mo ko akwaware ko say ebusafu no ni ho. Okay. Nti hin na mo ko akwaware nti mra no a wo saa o mine no a mo wo mu no say ese say bi a mo ko ware no say mo follow essentials of in your mind say marriage na then valid nti baby amoko ware no anase nkrofo no mbo officiate aware no ese ehu say mra ma kwan say omutumi officiate aware no license mane then
okay nti meti ase na enye obia na obetimi afa no say on supervise or superintendent wa aware no e wo say mra man ho kwan from ekro na say o man na wo yes ade no wo mu no
wo yes ade no wo provided you very good e bia wo ye ade no nti so wo ye ade no wan ye wo memu wo koye no man foforo mu a sa oman no a wo yere wo no so emra ban na wo ho efa aware no hyehyeye no ho even the busuafo no agi atomu ewa wo memu.
Okay. Abusia we bibia de boy yentuma no na no adwada etwemu na migidi yese ube watch out for another one that will be coming on Monday. BWF Solicitors na woni yentna wo mayen emra no mu nchechemu sebe ya se wokoto no wo baabi a na enkoye bibia bibiri we no so enta se obi epeja argument bi bana wontimi enka we bi nkyere na we na attitude dabi BWF Solicitors ebema wenya enho ante ase enti any BWF Solicitors in income of 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 ene nkomo ben ena yede brewo nkomo yede brewo no yese unim se wobetimi ede wo ba ananse wo ma aba be ka wo ho e wo UK ha se ukuta limited leave to remain. Limited leave to remain no kra den. Wasetena no enhye bi da so. Na enhye da so a wo mu ubeso jem ubeso eja na abehwe nkwam. Owa obeto abontimpro mu. Ene na be yire pa o. Na nso so emrama ho kwan se bia obetimi aye bibisa. Eno nti ena ne mato nsa afro se bomode abra na ye ne BWF Solicitors mpanimfo eni nkomo no nkyere yen se owo ebetia to abontimpro mu. Na aja yeni hwe nkwan no mu so ebitumi aka bi ahwe because abusua no yentimi entity mu sa eno ti na me sha ase na me bisa wo se so bibi betimi atete wo ne wo abusuafo anase wo ma entamo ana. Busia me da se oguso ene me ewo adwumedi so me wo Margaret Du Mensa ewo ahmaso a wo hwe ye Ezekiel Johnson onuba da CP nyame enhwel samso na ye wona na hema na fe dodo a mo aba no se oba na opeke link na no wa share se be ya manfo ensa beka. I have done my 12 shares already. Nti wo nso so at least one share kra na nye 10 na yemma amamfo ensa enkabi. Today I'm looking at a minimum of 350 shares. Yewo Facebook so and yewo YouTube so sanso so na yewo Abawa Radio so one kasa so platform no fato so na amamfo ensa enkabi. Ene me kan bo amane se me ne BWF Solicitors se ne ye na da na no edi enkita ho me ye special guest and say me resource person lawyer near free BWF Solicitors adwuma na lawyer Charles Asmah ewo ha watching in Canada senior me de nuggets no eto na nimma o cheche mu no ko very thorough pa but me question na me bisa ne say eden na bitimi atete me ne me ma entem say eba no masetena ehye bi edaso lawyer Asmah me ma have you
Yeah.
adwumbo ko de I think na me be che wan kasa
I think na we be that was just a nugget
any nugget ye de fafra ho kakaka you say adwumbo ko
officially
nkama nkranko for you
so I quite back to the platform
I'm telling you last no my bread
I quite back to the studios
but that CP yeah say ye kase limited leave to remain na me kase bi obi asetena hye bi da so ne ade obroni ana say ye ba UK ha ne kan limited leave to remain e den hwan na owo limited leave to remain
yo me da se bebre brakeku etiefo ye chia dada ba ye besan echia biem bia wo wanti enchia edikan no ye chia obi biara etiefo na ahwefo enyinara obi biara nde wenya mre yame enhirawo Uncle Ben hwe BWF Solicitors so ewie echia wo ne abusua enyinara ene edwumafo a omo BWF Solicitors edwumako so ye ho enyinara na technical crew yo and then no ye behwe bibi afa limited leave to remain limited. The word is limited. Limited leave to remain or to enter no interest. Near yedeba ma wo se fetina o man mu anase fe wure mu no. Ebedu embre bia ebewu a ese wo sesa anase wo to aso. Nti se kwabasa ne yede ama wo no enye afebo na mom eye kakra bia wo de behwe wo ho na ebre bi beso na ese wo call for extension there. We say you have a limited leave to remain. Let's call it a visa with expiry date.
And yeah, now me say obi ewo limited leave to remain or what opportunities to be any benefits to be obetimi take advantage of ana because say you o babet na UK cream ana so man you moment kan say ya ma obre say o visa ne be expire nti wo say o san akọ okrom e ba na sa de obi ote ha de wonya obetimi anya bi
yo me da say bebre asan say a limited leave to remain no now we your application no depend on the application how be anyway because you say you two up until now and say even CC and cry you two routes your immigration route application and a your EU route application and then encomo no immigration route application aya to the appendix FM to the immigration rules no na sa wo gina we so aye wo application na and they can limited leave to remain wo no chasa wo dada na wo dada e be ka before wo be nya no no be so say wo betumi ahwa wo ho ana betumi ahwa ebusuafo no ana wo be ka say ane na ye de ama wo ndi se waka ane dia and the wo be make sure say wo be live up to that what expectations and your mama wo condition is say no recourse to public funds. It's just say on my sika e ho no wo de wunya emu echefa so person mo ma akwan na wonye bidie a wobekọ akwasere aban say even though earlier on no wo kan say wobetumi ahwa wo ho no bibi esi santi untumi nhwa wo ho ne wo ba nti osere won omunyi sa condition no emfi ho ema wo na even though na wo no limited no omoma wo kwan na wontumi enko aban ho enko sere emwa sa wo ho kyew na nkwala no enho so ekere ho a
okay and yeah na me say bisa say say obi want limited leave to remain or no recourse to public funds e kwan bi so obetimi akọ na afa yi sa eson na da so no de afri ho say me wremu na menya etintim me nan kakra me visa na ewu a me wo kwan say me renew no se ba no say mabusua ewo ba bia me a eson da me so na me visa na betimi a expire no ye ma me ho kwan mabusua fo be kame ho
yo me da se bebre a very good question and I know na na komo no ejina so na e wo mu no ne say yes cause wa wo mu no wo yire ukunu ebetumi abeka wonsa cause I say ebusua no ejina
okay
na se bibi ntina wo nko na wo ha obetumi ato nsa na oyire anase okunu abeka wonsa empo nkwala a uja won akire no ato nsa se omomra na omeka wo ho na wo ha of course as I say nyoma bi omu a utumi emiti
okay
asa yetumi de sa akwanya no ama enuanom anase emba anase oyire ne okunu a aka no
na the ntia ma ye ho wo ye hoho waba ha wo ba ye no se ne wodi kankan na ebisa so obetumi ahwe wo ho wo se an ene na aban ne oman ne nyina sika na obi atimi de nsabo mu bi no wo ntimi mfa nsabo mu bi na wo waba yi bi a wo sika fia bi ade na wo so akofo obi ba be kan se ne nipa no no ba be ye bed na ma ayi no nti mo betimi akase ya ma o man na obusuafo ne mba
yo me da se bebre nti ekobasa ubesan akire mu se wukunu anasa woyire eba anasa wo ba eba no you still can maintain wo ho na wonso wetumi ahwe won te se wo kire se wo ye okay a wetumi ahwe won
okay
na senior wonim no and there focus no ewo nkwala wokofa won aba.
Okay.
The last time no ye kan ho asem se wo pese wokofa oyere aneso okunu eba.
Okay.
Because separate ways of bringing ebusua no eba no enti. Ni nyina no enho requirement den ewo ho.
Okay.
Na no tituru yebedi nkwala a wode won eba no ho enkomo akọ echire. Na bia bit and pieces about so wode oyere ana okunu so eba.
Okay. Inti eni na yenhwe nkwala no se mede akwada eba didi kan eden na ewo se mekire se mede akwada eba se oye meba nti eden ne chese mba se meti akofa akwada bia
No correct. A very good question. Na etiefo ne ahwefo ne a ewo mu ewo ha no ne se ye wonyama enan bia edikan na ebia no entremu ewo eho. Edikan no o se wo ye application se wo pese wo de wo ba eba na wo ye maame anase opapa na wo kromu ha akwenya ewo homa wo na mbom edikan no hwe se akwala no a wo ne ba no owo outside UK. Intese oman no akwala no ewo oman foforo eso. Na akwala no wo oman foforo eso no na wa hwe nso se application a wa ye self person de kofa akwala no when ye mistake why ye correct application I will say valid application. We are na wa hwe se akwala no a oye application mind you even though na wo ye no application no akwala no na oye we your sponsor. Nti akwala no oye application no esa wo hwe se omiti na abuni friend no eligibility criteria na requirement no na wahwe enso se akwala no cannot be refused on the basis say omiti suitability requirement say onye suitable. Say suitability dey adi hu nkomo bebre say bibi enda ne so a ekere say ye ne ba oman mu a ebe affecte oman no ende ye anase bribi enti bibi a esi hu kwan say ye ne baba no ye ntumi emma no kwan say ye mfa no eden embra far criminal yama no ade no titiro anase impose bia akola na application pen emma ya ban no say mo no ntu kwan bi because first one okoye no obokro no wo ho anase ye bibia all those ones will fall under the suitability enti ye beto aso ebra nkomo no eko nenim no
wo suitability semi se akola no qualify on mokro no oni semoni bia we can say I can to blacker mame ana wo no suitability so accounting
Imrano say and I say policy no say the applicant child must not fall for refusal on the grounds of suitability. And yes sponsor no ho asam ena ye kan wo ha say nti nimpa no a wo ma me no so papa na obafa wo aba no de no ho asam bi yentumi engina ono ne bone so emfa mpanishe akola no.
Okay eni na memrana mimisa se eba na se ye wo nhihye ewo ho se wo se utimi de akwara no eba na se wentimi anye no ebrebi mu memfa na say akame me wo 2.5 na akame 6 months na wo say ewu a sabrenum se me de akwala na eba akwala no ebe qualify anasa to say
Yo senior ye kano ye beba all the other element no eso na say we your application no because we limited leave to remain no and say mama and say papa we limited leave to remain or person gina so kofa ne ba no nti ne awo no na ye begina so de ama akwala no nti sa wo de no akamu 6 months na ebewu a ebehwe eno nso so na ye de ama akwala no nti sa akwala no bedu na wo ye wo de no a na waye akwala no de no so aka ho because obviously no wo de no be wudi a na kire sa akwala na ogina wo so de ba ya no ono so ne de ebewu.
Mami mi sa we nso bio me yiyi no maako sebe ya se obi wo ho asem bi ebisa obetimi ate ase na ode question no aba se akwada no me se me ba no okay me wo be an birth certificate na yesi yanyin ni se me ba no how do I even prove it? Because you say who said you be ma me ho kwan say me mfa no emra. So how do I prove it?
Yo, but I say bebre. This takes us to the eligibility requirements. Now, under the eligibility requirements, you know, Obaka trust say in your man mean necessary we share na unity. Because a war a apalana or your application. No. Obviously, mami anasa papa no or your application ama ne bano and na obejinemu na we meet ama ne bano except character element, you know. Na edikano or say financial requirement. Netwa so no or say relationship requirements. Nti menka relationship requirements no ho kakra asem na area ya call finance no eso.
Okay.
Na relationship requirement no obaka twa say wo kofa wo ba aba. Esa wo hwe say akwala na wo kofa no aba no undi 18 years. More like
we di every 18 no nya akwada.
Nti mrane say undi 18.
Okay.
We di 18 dia ene onya akwala sa na mra no anasa policy no ehu no.
Okay.
Sanka usual it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Okay.
But under immigration rules there it matters. So these are the two these are some of the differences. Now when we start calling the 18 no na mpempre no is so making sure say why year and so what 18.
Okay.
Na enu wie a na wa hwe say akwala no anasa wo ba no onware ye. So wo ba no e ya akwala that's only 18 na mbom ya me hira no e ma na aware ya. Let us say wabo na go assisting.
Akwala de we dey no worry.
Well, I mean, yeah, unim. Anyway, I don't know why some random feel some colony to me aware and mo yan sa. But you see, it's also possible.
Ma hwefo any atifo and realize say me wo me nua ba na my tea e wa ha na akwaba.
Reku maju. Me dance.
Munim dinti ane kasa na ya boko no me wi ametwa na chima. Yeah, lawyer asopso na adenti na was amrati me recognize say akwala only 18 betimi aware. Na emom so di 18 dia yentimi ntwiti so ya akwala.
Yo, nia ewo mu no ne say. Sa akwala no endi 18 a oya akwala. Sana mra no hu no. Me sure say it's more to do with voting near there. Okay. That is my view.
But so Mr. Me you want to see. We di 18 still oya me ba.
Correct.
And akwada ya akwada ba ye ba.
Enti nkwala ni biom a anaso biom a only 18 nso aso na dwebo. Abo adwena obo no kra no e kire ne maame anasa ne papa. Ebi mu kra mo na mo hwebo parents. Enti ekobasa then we can't tell who is the sponsor. We are just say in the mind of the policy maker no we say okay let's define it. Enti I say akwala no eni so ya akwala wa ware. Because we are their nature say ono so I the asha say all forming a family unit.
Okay.
Na akwala no enye akwala wa forming or say independent family. Okay. Independent family is different from it's a marriage aspect, you know. Enti obioma wa ware awo. Enti wa forming on one family unit. Senior on maame ne papa nso a forming on one family unit with on one akwala na opeso your application. On nso a forming on sub family unit.
Okay.
On any bia on any unit that's the family unit. And that's on any community that's the family unit. And now in addition to that no say akwala no kodum pempenso a who live independent life.
Okay.
Not leading independent life. Independent life in the sense akwala yo no an ohwe no ho or no an obedi ne obehye ne bibia no ono an osam ne hu emfifiri no de den or de eye anaso or de share dia na kire say awofo no ho de na se ehwemu a akwala yi no bibia enkire say nye ono an na den ehwe no.
Okay.
Nti say we nyina no ho de a na kire say akwala no entumi enka say ogina ne maame anase ne papa so ayi application wa ba join no because ono aware ono ane etina say ono ehwe ne busua ne ade ba se ko besa akwara no no di 18 so na ye ka no na onware ye na on forming independent family unit and let's say ono an say en lead independent life there and ye o depend on the parents so.
Okay, eba definition no. Me mfa na say me me ne me ho kani ewo UK. Me wo ba ewo Ghana. Me ho kani amabe hia ni no so ewo ba ewo Ghana. San kwada ne mienu no. Wo ka eligibility. Omo qualify say me as part of sa family and answer ware no. Metimi de nkwala ne mienu aba set me ma. Do I have to prove anything?
You me that be brave. Into the next aspect of the eligibility criteria, the said the parent, a plan the parent, and that's a current parent, the partner. I would 2.5, and that's a limited leave to remain. A plan per se, original so there, and joining the parent. Into that just say a parent, the partner, dear, not just say a human, but that's a step parent. Into be a woman. And then step no stepfather and eti will krum her. O stepfather limited. If be a woman media na fine dem and I say and buy. O stepfather no bet me I am a wabe joining or me no for no.
Okay.
Inti so where the parent of the child applicant and I said the parent partner of the child applicant, a limited leave to remain, then the child is eligible to make application.
Okay. You see, young Cotier Drum ran 1 year have I say, come on, Sika Samno. Do I have to show? Because maybe I'm a kind of 18,600 near. Do I have to meet any financial criteria and sana some more limited leave to remain a meeting ba abekame
yo me da say bebre so what the oba eba sikasam no different from what the wo yere and say wukunu eba.
Okay.
Minim nye ntia omo che mu mienu obviously abofra de yefunu sa and parent there
ngala ni deliver
nya
bi omo nyina am deliver. Thank you.
Yo and the can say awofo or say wo yere and say ukuna nka wo fa na ba ya hwe pure we financial requirement no 18 ne 6 ne nkaka kan wona ade no but say akwala na wo ne ba dia na wo ha dia na kire say ese wo prove say wo betu akwala na ba wo betumi ahwe no na wo so atwa so ahwe wo ho na ebusafo na wo aka no so betumi ayi ahwe wo nti ehwo no case law calculations ewo ho a policy no eyusu na ode check say usika winya no anase na wo nsem no ebetumi ahwe wo ho na wa hwe akwala no enso enti obi omo ye adwuma onya bibi kakra anase in addition to that no onya aban emboa kakra enti se wonya aban emboa kakra na wo ye adwuma kakra eso so a ye beka ni nyina abomu na ya hwe se a week no ahin na eka wo nsem for edidie na sa week no aban emwa na ode man krofo a omunye edwuma no a omutumi edidie ma eso won so na wotwe bia no wodie no edu ana say edu dia then you can maintain yourself into calculation no e ho nti say your application no a your fa calculator na dey eye ni nyina I just say we math no na you make sure say we are following the case law requirements.
Okay.
Lawyer woka financial requirement ama kai question bi wo ho se nkwala dodo na wo de ba na mfa ho ana se 186 na wo be prove for the first initial sika no or say akwala se mienu a o add up ti se ne ase wo fa wo yire ne wo mba ye de kakra so no ana no ye different.
Yo say akwala na wo ko akofa no aba se ne ye ka no requirement for financial requirement for parents no ebe shifty aba akwala no so enti assumption is akwala eba no maintenance na eden ehia
Okay.
This maintenance na here akwala no dia kwan best no obetumi ahwa wo ho na wa hwe akwala no. Nti ye be hwe wo sika wunya. Na se wo benefit so a eno so ahe a wunya. Anampo se wunya edwuma na wo benefit so a sa benefit no ahe na eba wo nsem. Se wuchia wo dan car ahe na eka. Nti ye ni nyina esususu ni nyina awie na na ebe ka echiri no ene standard weekly maintenance threshold no pepepe and I say go so dia ende wodem
temfa ho ankwala dodo
wo say ye ba ko a na multiply by dodo a wode ba no na ye hu say dodo na we hear say sanka owofo so oyere and so okunu na eba with akwala ka say obviously 18,006 for mama na say papa no na ya sha akwala ba ko no 3,800 na ya sha akwala the next one with 2,400 na 2424 so for each akwala but eba maintenance no a ye working out say okay so we the akwala ba ko na we the eba bia ebeye say na so we the akwala mienu so na eba and the maintenance no be den ebe kwasro
na me person bibisa na we dey menyin fi wonsam kitwa bi na person bibisa specific question we ka say the sika yetua dan ka yetetetete a sika sen na se obi e wo UK ha na watch at least aban expect say obi die no betimi determine say okay say me kofa nkwala 4 ene dey aba ene na me pesa sika no na e dey ato me ho say be ya metimi dey akire nti week no what is the minimum I was will be spending with UK?
Nti the we calculation average case law no be calculate say near ewo winsem no and say na maintenance level no 200 for example 263 pounds a week so 263 pounds a week no na eye na aban expect say obi a ohwe no ho no obewo for nipa ba ko a wo de na wo edwuma na wunya anase wo de na wunya no ye de tutu ho a ebro anase endu say du dia na kire say we miti standard way no na ya hwe nipa dodo a ese wo de won epese mo use yes application no a we hia sika dodo no obviously say nipa no nkwala no ye mienu nkwala no ye miensa whatever untumi nka say we use standard one no a eye we no aban expectation no just how you multiply by the number of nkwala person we won we den eba no
Nti say o nkwala 5 a o na wo say wo kire say wo hoboa eso akwantu nti obetimi akọ
obetimi mba obetimi ahwe
wo
na the same time no we kire say wo baby a omoba mbeda accommodation requirement no under the financial aspect into maintenance and accommodation in here pa
ansana obetimi de obi aba irrespective of say what limit or you know so
say we are talking about say we live no dada into we gina no so de aba akola na ba akola ne ba wan eso na obetina wo so na obetina de akola ne beda he
okay
wo so na obetina de akola no dan na obedi nti sa nkomo no ese wo no na wo de bia wo ne wo yire na e kan bomu a ye be hwe ebusuan no ne foto na ya just say okay ebusuan yi e wo say a week nten de akola ne ba ebeso nya ye wo ho dada no yeso na aso akola no so a oba no eso so we are a single parent na wo kofa wo baba akwa ba definitely no limit no ebe easier compared to mo amoye dodo no
okay abusia nkoma ye di efa se mabisa na mekoso abisa na de ebisa obi onso ne se wonim se wo asetena e wo UK ha na ye limited cra se memfa ne se 2.5 na wo obetimi akofa oba aba abeka ho ana eno eya asema ye bisa na lawyer Asmah free BWF Solicitors eche ye mu se ani obetimi akofa ba oba aba abeka ho nemum your criteria bia e was wo meti say you say eligibility and financial criteria no I say wotimi ehu abofra no oni 18 to your oba ubetimi a kire se oba anasa wo partner ba nti abanoma nso so etimi qualify and afei nso so we say wonya ba bia wobeda ba bia nipa kwa abofra na anasa oba ne ba obeda and afei nso so usika ebetimi aso wo ene abofra na ukwa akofa no ede no aba me enyame kwa na me wa sedem onim no ye wo na my team ewa ha a oboa enemy no na ye to bro lawyer Charles Asmah ewie na wonso so obetimi anya kwan na afi wafre anansa wasende wo text obetimi akọ your Facebook page no so na waja comment no ewo ho BWF Solicitors sanso so na obetimi akọ your YouTube page no so obeja comment no wo ho eno nyina BWF Solicitors mo amutie ewo Abawa Radio so no obetimi send mo text na comment na akọ Abawa Radio so omobeto ede amane ne adane ede amamo eno nti moma yenkoso na your number ede be adwuma no anansa wo text no beba so no 07950 422-780 07950-422-780 and also between your first number no cra 07950-422-780 another number between your friend 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016 anyway na means I am right na fi me na senior ya no ya ne lawyer Asmah entwetwe komo no questions ni bi ho a you ramadwini mu ne ye pie but say ya amfa amanso so a obetimi e de abrain me go text messages ba ko mienu e wo ha ene dodo na afi yenchi sane yesiko na yenkwe
yes emra MC yedin komo na obi ka say enkwala na yakofo mo say the circumstance you made mention of serious and compelling circumstances na ono debate ho say okay opeso okofa no na say obenya such circumstances ni be there evidence obetumi aka say bia concerning these rampant kidnappings and the killing of children and women sakawa staff in Ghana no obetumi ejina no so there evidence say okofa ne bana
Yo, that's be great. Now, opportunity to I was actually going to go to that.
Okay.
So, let's look at compelling, serious and compelling family considerations, you know. Any maintenance arrangement you have in place, Sakolano Eba. And we look at also the sole responsibility aspect, you know.
Okay.
Now, we've always said sole responsibility is very crucial. Because akwala no enya wonko awoba untumi nkofa no emba fine we dey wom half but half you be there unti untumi fa we half no mba so you need to get consent from the other parent.
I azimbi say o say nya there you dey free me anyway
yeah so responsibility is very crucial. And so we single parent na wo kroma na wo kofa akwala no aba or so making sure said the other parent aware one to so the other parent they are aware there you can't just simply say so I'm permission some final call and you are no answer channel cause half
okay
but so responsibility is say obaka say parents the other parent no oni hobiem
okay
for whatever reason santi won pe na o akwala no abrebo mu a all over the years no akwala no bia watna ase na say since our papa film and so mama film no and say we no we take responsibility hence so responsibility. And to prove so responsibility is not a matter of yes or no, it's a matter of fact sensitivity. You have to gather all the evidence to show say ampa no mama dey group table is you na dey dance say kodwo mensa mepe na mehwe no since o papa film so yeraye say owuye so ye den say onpo abandon no wo pe na wo ye ntiemfa say single parent prove say we are single parent
okay
to prove say we are single parent you know mama akola no ewo oman foforo so na wo baby foforo so that distance you know how have you met that sole responsibility duty or sole responsibility no nkomo ben na ya wona akola ne die wudi fa wan so wan na wudi akola na ahya nensa adentin nimpa na wudi ahya nensa no ntumi ntoa so biem den ubaka ni nyina suku a okono wan na otua na didie mu ne hyemu all those essential living needs no wan na oye na fe no beka sam na me ye because me mura no sika that's fine and the fasika no manimpa no a ohya no no ohya
no okay let's just say any straightforward say who limited leave who kwan wobetumi meet eligibility ni ade ni nyina but so responsibility be niti wo
any be niti wo nti say o pese o bobo ahun sa o kofa wo ba no obviously won't na ho na ngesa china me kofa akola na ba something has been happening. So you know that the being here say me bobo me huna me kofa me bay.
Okay.
Because me pen na me wo ma fo bi a abusuafo ni bi na omo hwe no. And na nyoma ekokoso ni na dia dance say no. Ebere aso say me amani ko me ba eho. I have two options. Either say meko na me na kwatena ho, and so no be ba no ni ma betena say. But nyoma ben na wo we dia dance say ampa. So kwala no wo ha anka wo be hwe no the same way na wo dance say wo hwe no ho. School kom. Teachers no nkomo ben na wo ni wo di a eche say ampa wo na wo hwe wo ba. Bills na de no wan so na de efa hospital nyoma or so boarding house okra me sure say there could be some conversations na there between when you parent actually say you are actually following the progress and development of wa no today be also oh you catch them on phone so you catch them on phone so there and there untimi ka say my recorded voices no untimi dey better so you must then gather your facts. Okay. You say be a when himself of akolana but a year you have to now organize yourself and make sure say oh enough in place to show say ampa you are solely responsible.
Inti dan me here me pay slips.
Well, so responsibility no it's not about who pay slip because pay slip no improve bibia it only proves say we adwuma betumi meet maintenance requirement and as a financial requirement eligibility but then I just say wo to na wo akwala na brebo
Inti dan me here
or papa wo he na you say fact sensitive inti bia scenario bi to say bia John any ne auntie na to Ghana and that's all my for so or papa and that's all my me e wa ha o my me muna sika no e de fa ne auntie no so but otobi bia o de sharp ala no nti bia anytime obokwa yi sika no kra no bi o send message say oh akofa sika no mo de amame bia okọ adakwala no ko hospital so oh me da akwala na ko makoje card the card ni nie bia card no kra no even though wuni ho no wudin na eden e wo e share baby bia Charles Asmah no hwa akwala by into bracket Mary Mensa because Mary Mensa ba no na Charles hwe no nti because you wo ban nti ubetuma ma hospital for na ya aware say ne maami din baba subi
okay
so what is here so school so a o maami ana so papa no wa agbochi na o hwe ne ba true you no ne din e wo ho baby senior krom ha ye because ko school letter bra me ho a akwala no anase akwala no maami anase papa na ehwa no na say ko school letter bra just say you play a role direct access
okay
the same way what you say you play a role unkuto na we play that role Until all those things now, but there are emails between the teachers, emails between so we as parents, you have interest in our Kolani school. So teachers, class teacher, you engage near idea, once in a while, oh, how is my child faring? And I said, what's the progress? Terminal report, and idea, no more the braille. Even if they don't write it in your name, or more they send a braille. So you have vast of evidence to support the fact that say ampa. And on the fact, it's highly probable, say, you have sole responsibility.
Okay. Kwame Atajima essay or Sheying from Aylesbury. So and Ezekiel Johnson there sorry penny no pa thank you so very much. So and Akua Amina Akua Nima
Enima
Facha me why Mabna agree ewa so and Sam Kwesi Ando ma boat and Margaret Edu Mensa enche befa comments no senia mode abrayen nti se wo comment bia obetimi asende ade abrayen 07950 422 780 422-780. And also say obe free was our number corner 07950-422-780. It be also between a free and warring other number no so 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016. Me na my yetin ewa sounds so na lawyer Asmah ewa lawyer we dey you do that junction you be ma eti4 any ahwefo aba emu ye wo couple of comments ewa your phone so voice notes ni ade ewa mama me nko yen Facebook page no so na fe yen fa yen question na edikan no emra na medane ama na fe we ready ade amain
we free equia inima. Equia before I make our messages no moon fanche man chechi amona me chechi bibia yesi ore if na okofa can see you nti adofo amhwe me chia obia yo equia o question is say hi lawyer and lovely host. I want to ask how many evidence of or types of evidences do you need to prove as a spouse of an EU national in applying for indefinite leave to remain after your 5 years visa? Would I ask? Till I ask ma. A question or no?
Yenya equia, maybe I offer an answer. Wushen Fibiano, Ichao. Now, what's the way should say? We spouse, and I said, Nipana will be someone who is spouse of EU national. So now, boss, no. We okunu ana oyere. Sa nipa no yokunu ana so oyere a yamano limited leave and I say sisi anka be say pre-settled no for because no time no undi 5 years. Okay. And yamano limited leave. So onkoso na ontena na brune so a onsan MGB enden enka ho empo yamano afebo a settled status no yeka ho asam no. Na then na ekere say Sabrina Swan, then I will be Jinasono, and so we prove say ampa wo krum ha. And will be such types of evidence. Types of evidence will cover residence, will cover earnings, will cover cohabitation, will cover everything. Now, how many pieces of evidence you need, will depend on way. So we can't say you need 10 or you need 5. But momiamu bosso akoso emano. Okay. And we wait 5 years now, we'll call for the next level. No? And so we'll prove say, and past 5 years now, we now the tikromaha. We to quite cry one check, waba. Na uko check cry, there was compelling reason to be away, senior yakano for at least or at most 1 year. Na at least 6 months, ne adie, na uo inaswa akoba no sa. Mitigating factors no ewo ho na se yesa na etie dia se we prove say wuti krom ha nti wo di pay slips say wuti krom ha wo ye adwuma P60s wo ho say ampa 5 those period ni na we den wo di krom ha ni ade na afi wo gina obema no so na wo di aye den akọ the next level and say oba no so akọ next level so na etie dia den na say muguso e den ewo ho. Yes, I'm more chrome ha egusu eti say awarefo.
Oh, okay.
Enti say unni bibi a wo be produce am gusu eti say awarefo ye kind cohabitation and say living together as spouse there. And say we prove say aware no bibi nti entumi an den ankoso. And say antwaso nembom you have retained your right as a spouse of a UE national. So na etie there those factors no a trigger break and I say divorce and I say whatever it is now ama we retain your right no is say we prove it could be death and your fault say owo buy okay your bomb your empire say empire but you can't control it it say any na esi na ama obema no and I say oba ni wa bre bombe mu a yentumi engineer no so empire show say aware ni hobie so you can have that death certificate. Say our go into na aba, and our jai into na aba, you need divorce. And this and your man etete no. And na say moti bomu so definitely you have your what do we call it cohabitation, evidence of cohabitation. Be a more bills mudi ni was so yeah the say you nyina no ka bomu a e be dia dance say wo call next level. Na some marriage na wugina so no is still subsisting.
Okay. Yemfa another one na yenkwe. I'm say Mabna agree.
Mabna you or say hi please. A friend of mine was an undocumented as at work when she entered the UK, but she's now married to an EU and has limited leave to remain. How many years is she going to stay here before eligible to apply for an indefinite leave?
Yo, me da say bebre minua. Enti omoma no limited leave to remain as a EU family member because when to me improve say what na have 5 years. Because so what na have 5 years so to me prove ya nka bia se na wokan the person could have been offered settled status from the beginning.
Enti Patrol, baby, I can say undocumented. No,
That's only evidence.
Only evidence.
So
Okay.
undocumented. And it's only evidence there, then just word of mouth. The word of mouth, so there, and yet, into me, you know, so a mouth crata. Sano anti Yama 5, in first 5 years, no. Would to me, after the year, as I said, we know. Because the amount of 5 years from and that, the culture said, as soon as we bet my day, Abba Tremu, and as a bear extending. In the time now, the amount of video, we as I know. You have enough evidence over the period no would you want limited leave no na fi there would I there at waso so standing per way a beer ya man of 5 years because part of the time no when to me improve there part no to me prove there nke be share time no to me part no to me prove here no so beer to me prove 3 years so what I have 3 years sanjo mo man pre-settled. Na ya man pre-settled no na wasen atene mu 2 years there. Let's just say this time no bet me prove continuous 5 years. Even though 5 years na ya da man no enso ye. Nti edu ho a obet me dey switch it from pre-settled to settled. No we move because now at least this year there obet me account to say or evidence to cover 5 years.
We yebeko so na question bi a maybe ya no bi de me hu de nkom wo topic a ye ne no na ne ba na oja ne ho na ti se wenya 2.5 peso kofa no ono ne de afe no wenya nti evidence na owo ha na so approve no en share da enso ye ntinka o to ne bo ase until say video bi aba ne ba no wo ne nua ba ma bi nchen wo bron fufuro so wo me fa ne se wo Kumasi. Ena according to akwala no ne uncle no ebo no eye ne yakayaka de twese otete enti no eno enti no akwala na nka se dwane free ne bra ne uncle ne ho se okohwehwe ne anti bi won kran ema obi boa no efa akwala ketwa o efa public transport ebe do nkran fa abedo nkran akwala na yera ma wakopie police for ensem ema anti true police interrogation no ne ehu se o hwehwe ni anti na ne maami ankasa de o wa abrochi memo wo krumu ha na ne because ne brother na ebobo no ne anti no so yenya yenhu no e ma sese wo police nti police for no so ka sese yenhu ne anti ne dia ene ye de ne bekwa akoma social nti we akoye video evidence because omutwa e ma ye bisa akra no ensem nti BBC na se ne maami ne hu sa video na obetumi abra ne hu CP e wa ha no obetime gina sa video isu ayemhihie say or say okofa ne ban because adia ne ban komuni.
So very good example of which one? Serious and compelling family considerations.
Oh, okay.
Now the parent is going to consider.
What the other class more?
So the parent is going to consider the welfare of the child under the circumstance.
Okay.
So it's a case of leaving the child or taking the child, bringing a child over so that you can have full support and take care of a child. Sana akobadia, unfortunately, no, senior winning, no, it's a case of neglect and abuse.
Yes.
Okay.
And takola ya neglect and abuse in the dear. You don't need obia or can't say parent take action.
Okay.
This our parent now want to me for her encore. So take action so in the banner first she will have to look at say obet me you be fufra then put nature so you be fufra we end so there's no guarantee and therefore the harm is very, very imminent.
Okay.
And harm is critical. In this here there, because of that harm, no potential harm may see that any potential harm maybe to make impose on the map of or the imperfora or say taking action. Serious that's called a serious and compelling family consideration, which is the welfare of the child, a child in danger.
We my dream but say you can say or limited leave to remain senior imminently danger ewo ho ne hu betimi a kire no e betimi ama wo mu agofra na afi ho aba bedru ha me nso so me ameme wo ha no we were limited leave to remain no recourse to public funds akwala no aba me ho kire me dey
Yo Yeah, please. You're going to ask that question again, but let me go back to Nipa now. Will be some question I'm going to I'll come back to that one because we'll be discussing some of these things.
Okay.
Yes.
Nipa say, so this person, example, no, the buyer say there is abuse and it's obvious. I call we been every because you're Bruno or con the number bonting. Will be crabby to me a piano. If it's a post for a friend, say you should our for Yamua and one call social and my bayaji. Would they Yamiadum Yamo notice into winning now? But we be say what about saying me use to BB say there are kidnapping blah 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 in
Circumstances again.
but the point in this is this affecting Colombia organic now? And I say you just want to take advantage. Example now a badge is here, it's obvious. A serious issue. But what you are preempting.
Yes.
So, a bit
kidnapping. But why would this happen? Why not Shapalano?
Okay.
What's the evidence? So preemptive facts cannot be proven. But we see video no is enough evidence.
Yes.
If you cry my no want it because in the panel Shapalano or abuse Apalano on Pumpo say obehu. The video ya this man.
Okay. And you know me the number. Video no your fence man video na pie. Means so baby am gina no. Gina half.
You say I am adom akwalaye betu. And na 2.5. Akwalaye so wo de na wo no nso na ye de ama no bi aka mu 2 years. Nti ono so onya 2 years o de aba. Obaye of course wo kofa akwala no u prove say wo betumi. Akofa no under case law Ahmed. And na akwalaye baye first no okono na oni benefit. Nti eduma pa na o ye because she herself or he had no recourse. Nti eduma pa na o de prove ye. Say eduma o ye no onya enough to cover obi a wo krom hank or maintenance so no obenya. Or the akwala na ba ya nyoma sesa e ma osika no ayeden akofo. Na wo se obeye den. Senya so akwala na wo hadada na wo ye kwesi a se na obi a eye no. You go to the government and ask for their records to be what? Removed, if possible, because this is a child under consideration.
We can use some application because I call it evidence or video.
Now, so we do.
So
your application or banner, what kind of so
Sikasam na making.
The problem wasn't Sikano. The problem is Apolano, obit me.
Oh, okay.
To be kwafano because obit me ashen. But we do. I think they will say you was MBA.
But hono me jini say betumi aye. I mean me kana be bom nkrofo betumi agina such a case so no mo de akofo mo. Abra on hihye me can in the case of on hihye evidence ni nyina e wa ha ni nwie.
Yeah, we can say on hihye evidence be na person hihye mo.
Say at least unim so okofa wo ba na ya ma 2.5 no. E bia na afi ne de ama wo.
Okay, me mo bo evidence no so na hinde na akam. One you see prove say oba no wa abrochire on say o baby foforo we prove prove say ya oba we prove say akwala ne ya British we prove and say EU national and say onkuta settled we prove say one gasa no 2.5 we prove say ukuru na okofa na ama wa prove say o 2.5 we prove say akwala ne ya oba bia wo di bibia aba oba no na afi di aba sikasam corporate relationship in there
yeah okay sikasam
na lazima se nipa no ye adwuma no you dey no kwenya ne 2.5. And I say under Gen 3.2 and EX1
because yes all cannot come about say ni bank statement it's like a dream 2 hours be no ye because wa wo foforo wo krom ha
na okay into wa wo foforo no even okay wa wo foforo ha okuta 2.5 na then esa na etie dia on stress aban enyi no recourse no enfi ho ma no because of the banner wa wo foforo no and adwuma no so esua no. The number 2 benefit support level no so
na ode no aka
because maintenance na wonya wa ban ho no e ka wo sika wonya main airport
okay
the port ne we dwuma sika wonya plus aban mo a ode ma wo so aban mo wa we dwuma pe so why I say let's say am 2.5 there why say wonya dwuma nti bia wo ye 2222 bi wa ha but sika na e ba ni so na say wo kofa wo ba you don't need 18,600
okay
you have to meet the case law calculation. It is on no episode ye na so hu kwan obefa so a obe twen aben lawyer oti case law calculation ya say no I say oh na wo kan kura wo man wo man obro ende e de beye ama wo ananso say oh akakakra na edu ende say wo ma aban ma wo kwan na wo kwaje koyi no records ni fi ho a na wo benya no ebetumi aka na eba no ho e ma fi the way meet Ahmed standard no na wo de akofa
okay. All right. We'll text message and now say WhatsApp message, you know, about 07950422780. Mabna me who comment no, ubitin afre the same number 07950422780. Lawyer Mr. Roma, young call na fi young kofa a voice note. Baako na mienu emfa emra na menhwe we ewo ha ntie yenu yi ade ewo ha.
Bisa because the voice is too far.
Oh, me and me miss out. Okay. Question no cry away. Okay, text bring me. Now me and me miss out them say. Okay. My pick it back and also a buy and phone so but ya page the to screen no so at the amount or say so what if you are refused after your first 5 years but you are still on the system for 10 plus with no child? Is there any chance to gain a visa?
I say you are on the system for 10 plus. Does it mean a 10-year
10-year route, I suspect.
Okay, no, I see.
Okay, mami here. I'm say, you know, the chassis. Okay.
Not shape way, no, mommy.
Okay, all right.
I see. What the cool.
Any.
Okay. I say hi. I am on the 10-year route. Sorry. Hi, I am on the 10-year parent route. My first 2.5 years was granted in 2013. The biometric card was issued on 15th of August 2013. However, the letter that accompanied the biometric card detailing what I was granted was dated 16th of July 2013. On what date am I due to apply for my settlement in 2023? Secondly, when I get my settlement, secondly, when I get my settlement, will I have to wait for 12 months before I apply for a British citizenship, or can I do it immediately after the settlement? So
I'm saying, what if so what if you have been refused for the first 5 years, but you are still on the system for 10 plus with no child? Is there any chance?
So there are 3 questions. So let's look at each one.
Okay. So my main fact, we know any kind emerald.
Okay. Until I say there was a problem with the date. Until there were 2 dates. One on the card, 15th of August 2013, and one in the letter that granted the leave, dated 16th July 2013.
Okay.
And I say, on why a calculation, you know, who say 2.5, it be due 2023. Say the manual. So 2023 no, obey you date na work card na so. And also be use date na a wallet and so. Because date na wallet and so no a soon before date na a work card and so. Either way, date na wallet and so no say 16th. And a date na work card and so no either. Until obey na date na a war letter and so because from where you know a shimwa 14 plus 15, that's about 29 days to go. 29 days na card nanga say ewu. And the law says that 28 days before that, within the time our card will be you can start application. So whether we try 15 for, we start 16 for within the 28 days.
Okay.
So what is here? Until providers say you just do the application before at the end of the day. Because they will say thankfully on Conquayano, 16th of August. And that's all from 16th July no up to 15th of August. On chain 16th August no. Didn't know. So what is here? Until you okay. Or you okay cry. Until a brand new you make your application. So you 16th July, no, they work 10 years now, fine. We used to wait and they work here, fine.
I don't say fine.
Actually, young one, second.
Second one, no, or say, what if you have been refused after your first 5 years?
Is that the second one?
And the second one.
Right.
Okay,
What is
no.
the final
Secondly, no what previous one also. When I get my settlement, will I have to wait for 12 months before I apply for a British citizenship, or can I do it immediately after the settlement?
Right. Now, nipa we can say a penny. Oba and a friend is saying.
But you are about to you know so me for later. My lawyer in Chile.
Or your penny, we're trying to 10 years. Now, I quite indefinite. What indefinite, you know, and so. The work with indefinite now, naturalization application, you do it under Section 61 of the British Nationality Act, 1981. Signing power, you know, requirement to say you have to have held the indefinite leave for 1 year. Because on another 10 years, no one or the other, do her. So you have to hold it for 1 year.
Okay.
And
all right.
The
final one. I don't know. So you have to me na. Say you do no to so that anti. Na you more ne de no so enye. Or say what if you've been refused after your first 5 years, but you are still in the system for 10 plus with no child? Is there any chance to gain a visa?
You are still in a system with no child. I'm not sure whether children are requirements.
Okay.
Because we can say, okay, so this person has been granted, let's say you've been refused after first 5 years. So, or you're 2.5. Because also the 10-year route, you know, so from the story, you know. Okay. First 2.5, under 10. Second 2.5, under 10. 5 years. Maybe okay, the one taking her to 7.5, you know, almost refusing. So I know patch in a break hiding. And I'll say without a child, well, I'll say, but you are still in the system for 10 years with no child. Because if you have been refused, I don't know the circumstances of maybe refusing. But if this is a case, a course or a live case, there, and your story, I'll say the TBB, I said, yeah, more than now, the umbra. If there's something I went to mind and clarify me, umbra na you near a woman, near who approach her, one, especially say you refuse to know, made where, why.
As in, yes, you had will be voice note, a voice note, now you're woman system, so now much of your mommy. That yentie yenuana or war ahoma so no hello
Good evening.
Good evening. Yeah, to say
Nyamia tumu na monswe.
Adom ne homobro ya that's it. Say what train again. But you lawyer wa ha na so wa.
Me pacho lawyer we the enumerate me question kakra bi na me pese nka me bisa. Na me pese me bisa say spouse visa no 2.5 the any bi no ewu a opportunity wo ho say ye be express one bi ana like within a week there and I say same day there opportunity because as I say no COVID-19 as anyama sasa the opportunity will have mass spouse visa for say express ni bi na super priority and I be bisa opportunity will one me pacho any me question number 1 am pese me bisa so say me kwa koye renew and do I still need my marriage certificate name me tendency agreement na I know I can't requirements ni and me pacho me question and
Yo, yeah, that's it. You know, or they ne and they buy the December 2 a now
we ankasa crowd or line so
we're live.
Okay. So our further question be between
okay, then please stay for us. Okay. Because when I asked premium, I was asking, is this the voice that I'll be responding to? Okay, but thank God I was right to ask. Okay, so Sister, thank you for your question. You are talking about premium or priority service when you are making an application. That is why it is there. So when you are booking your appointment, biometric appointment, they will ask you, are you going for standard, which is 1,052, or you are going for premium, which is 1,080 thereabout. So if you go for the premium, you pay premium, and you have to be offered premium service. And because it's there for everybody, including you.
Okay, because as I might say, lady Pikachu say or to so premium, but Oma money premium service. Na sikana so munya tia. Even though Oma service ne you can't get refund back. It's not my kakra.
Yo, na lady no can enter Oma mano, even though tia ya no.
Me pacho no or no need the nothing or the free Ghana eba. Tinikun na year wa ha. Or much so premium. But or Ghana, the only thing on my yan is Omano. Or see Omani drink near ye be pay. But I need the
premium no quite about
Yes, I will drink.
Naomi say, I'm happy that you pointed out. What down for no new dim common. Ne yere no okwa fa na aba no ne yere no onti krom ha. So it is not an in-country application. Even though you're here from Hano, it is not a UK application. It is a Ghana application, entry clearance. That is limited leave to enter. What journal will be limited leave to remain. Until we are limited leave to remain now, Okakobo and Sanu or Croydon or those places. Okakobo and Sanua, you may be say, open premium service and now say standard service. Premium application will be prioritized for decision or for consideration. Into bet ya more, into that premium tray. So what you say? Into come a bit taken I say 6 months now, dear, no would know as I say back and temp. Into maybe says a wound what down from a canyentia a chair, but send a wokano. Nipano ya Ghana noa or Cobon and Sano ewo moving peg, you know. Or your application or your booking, you be saying say, we premium service and I say flexible service and I say standard service. Flexible service means that your mama will date, but we open time. We cannot do. Maybe I'll be time will be no one can say why you're late because I flexible.
Okay.
So what priority premium are? The better say we bad just like VIP our airport. Who try to play no? Na ye ma wo jojo ho. And interest of this anything we na the man no be out here 10,000 but that is the cost. But so standard there who kwa ye hwe we a eno anu no. Na the kind say ye dase. Ye ma special treat in terms of maybe a wo betena ene nya wo de ba jojo ho wo twen no. Why?
Okay.
But what happen if let's deal with yours. If you go for premium, you'll be offered premium consideration.
Oh, wait a minute, that's a pass watch it. I'm a dream when my time best to me, but my study share me be a ready and summer time when I
know about why.
Me pacho, I never do me that's a pan. I'm in bye.
All right. They know say me am coming. Eh, abanti me am be coming. Or say or te Germany. On ne ba. Or mo betimi aba London aba betena. Abofra ne papa ay British.
Nti ono Germany. Okay,
Abofra ne papa ay British.
Okay.
Obetimi ne ba no aba betena UK.
Okay. Nti keep this one. You know this question. Also be so about renewal.
Okay.
So then we here to renew. So when a spouse at the annual. Near the year first one, as a so prove say our no ugusu ewo.
Okay.
Nti senia of fast why the man no. So per se the man be more as so fast so. Unless so Becca say our no good, our no good year. Let's all be man who are wooden no so dear and the wine sooner woodna be an bano.
Okay.
Now this one, Germany and Britain.
Okay.
Omo Germany meboa. Akwala no ne one ne maame. Na ne papa ye British. Nti papa no e wo krom ha. All right. Now the next level. What's he saying? Into person then
o metimi aba betena UK.
So akwala no e wo krom e wo Germany. Na ne papa e wo Britain a. Senior wonim no yetumi ye bibia ye friend no overseas passport application. Yetumi ye right of abode. Yetumi so eye uma akwala no eba because papa there say time ye wa akwala no no time papa no be ye British citizen no papa no betumi akwala no betumi ejina papa so under the relevant provisions of section 1 of the British Nationality Act no say ye wumi den etum time ye wa akwala no wan kan time ye wa akwala no na ade and what
akwala no betumi ejina ne papa so age ne papa status irrespective of nationality akwala na ye.
And sa akwala no de obviously overseas. And I'm rather say depend on time I do akwala no, we are talking about 2000 July 2006 post and July 2006 prior. So depend on that arrangement, prior to that, na papa ne mama no sa omo ware na ade a ya na they look at sa bit sa mama no akọ our fufuro mu a all those things no ya na important. But post 2006 e open.
Okay.
This you open there, you ni makola no ni age time ya wo no. Na say you open there, so evidence actually say or papa British. Na ya wo no na or papa British there. Ya wo na tum.
Okay.
And so rely on because or you're British by birth.
By birth. Okay.
So on here visa to come here, but on here permission to enter. I say no right of abode. Now the aba. Now I buy an application for passport, and also buy application overseas. Now on here no book. Not the room.
Okay. 07950422780 and answer over send a text to the same number, which means so for 0208-123-1016. Asmah ewa and yeah to Bruno, but wajini nyina to be all cry na yeah bisa question ye refi no wa quite check wa kwa answer yeah voice note back wa oh that's no dear okay. So voice note na nye ya yankofa aye nipa wo so. Hello.
Hello, I'm from
Good evening.
Yo, I saw me person bisa question kakra.
Wadaruma you.
I saw person bisa say me divorce certificate on IRA. In Sinanka me bisa say makes me aye for frana mini copy no. Omo de bre match but recently I won't say yeah, mokase ye preset anyway no. Me ye na me nya indefinite na ma apply transfer card na o se me receive no. Me ko bomb me san me na me ye ko bomb me san home office. But me ko jam me certificate no. That time na me traveling to me anko me hu pusi me dan ho na nsia na me hu he. We kwa no mo show mu hu. It's no se ka ho na 28 days there that means maybe say na Saira. So in this case, many day, minya for because Ghana my friend almost so many copy no.
Yo, we odi wasam bae ya se film say maybe I dance say wawara no bibi enti ayira.
No we dia dance say we jayu.
Yes, and no audience say or the guy. And to be our general crowd for retention, and that's what general crowd for whatever. Or yeah, but the main thing I would say, divorce certificate when subject to me, I can be mu and we say and maybe a year I know, almost say and yet possible. If you say Oko baby or mu issue, you know, so no boss, you know, I'm saying issue from Ghana. Issue from Ghana. The name. Anamotudu a way to was ade no eho didi a wodi obi say onko follow up emawo na all ka say almost say enye possible but just try again me nim baby a omo issue yes omo issue no ba jo wo ho omo issue no ai
so e ba ye no ma read me e ba me we fit because I have some problem a bit for refie. It's my friend, baby. Almost say your Ghana marriage certificate people no. Do you divorce? My friend no. Say koye ne here. Or say on watch. Ya change no kai.
Ghana custom marriage.
Yeah.
Yo, okay, all right. Next time business we no here say Bianca we say here KMA na dia. But you know customer marriage me boy. And I sorry there. I mean anyway, we
divorce no foreign affairs.
Enti say aware no omo ye no no Ministry of Foreign Affairs is just a letter. Omo de back original divorce certificate no be fi baby. Enti kwache nipa say onko but me da fa wa unia so say bia nipa no a originally no omutu anamo ma wo no obviously no and a more arrangement, you know, a chum into they may not want to burden themselves. But what you know that I show once I said, what's no say at the tier crown on Begia, Ubed, Ubetia, not Omuntusa and a mono and Mawana open replacement.
If I saw my yes, I will meet you. And I'm on Afrelate woman, and say, me give me marriage certificate, no, man, no, so no, Gia, no, they are baby, Omo, divorce with me, no, the my boys,
okay.
And you know, no, Kai, baby, cry, Omo, now boys, this one, or dear Juman and Mao, shut down him, Omo, on my own baby, cry, cause Omugu and Anka, my husband, or Ghana. No, copy in the cry, the Betriaka. Or say, as I am a net now, or do a better share on Kaiso, I copy
or your connection woman and
but so that be or a genuine pound, a marriage certificate, no. But on no silly racy, the end also one.
Oh, yeah, Juma war death and birth registry.
Oh, no, Nejima Obi.
And there's a
Or
connection.
Jima way inside, or not as a woman is like us open for. But oh, yeah, Jima
Okay, don't worry. Obviously, it will be a genuine document, and that is the main thing. And you have misplaced your genuine document, and you want genuine replacement. What we are saying is, of course, you know, Ghana, Ninti, Ubako Ghana, Beninfono, and when I say office, no. Now, I would say issue from the authority, and I say local authority, no. It's a Kumasia, almost sign KMA, almost just a major record because I printed. It is some more than Sun Natural. Somebody in Sun Natural, what the court? I go far court once.
I go far court in Ama medical. Medema will be verified and I'm lost the panel number or yeah,
What's the banner? What do you call it?
I don't mean, Nanky, I go to pro
Mamina, ya na woman, you man, the man called for Jumano, unimno, unkaino.
Mammy, the minimum, and Casa, no, Nadia, no, like,
and think on Boamia who called to cry.
Aha, one is one copy
No, they on Timin Kai called to crown.
But your daddy. And I'm missing me for a day, Yana.
So, what could you have for?
I'm going to divorce the for.
Mommy, you are sign free.
Why? So call back. Now you quite fast. Obviously, to do a new divorce is the only, but to be a replacement,
why? Tia free.
Okay,
all right, that's it. Bye. Fetch me why? Say, I said, no ministry, but Sana was ever. Yenti voice note way.
Good morning, lawyer. I hope some number. Pacho, the Miri free gun number. Na call born in sa. You buy no much the baby, I'm born in sa. And Pacho, 2 months to 3 months, still I know the card in my my. Pacho, I'm so cheap, Mukaka, Mammy say, if be a child, I say, send it from one, I say, coin bench, na memfa. That's it.
You had us to be bringing out the Wasam buyer. Wasam be son say, Oyaba, Akoban in Sano, 2 to 3 months, card number. Etumiche and yes, etumiche. Is this reasonable delay? Normally, no, I am a catcher say application we are 6 months time. It will be there to me back before 3 months, no. It must be there to me back the 3rd month. It must be there to me back after that. Obi crowd there, crowd letter no banana if the card na come near bitches. Because they do 2-3 months, no. I want to say, Obi to me follow up. Inti send an email, email no omode requesting your man na there no. Ubetumi afre email sa number no. Email address no. We email sa email address now. Because just say you have no, obviously you tell them when you made the application you have not received your card and you want update. They will reply to you. But there's another email
address or say no reply. So email address no reply to reply enko. Nti make sure say we use and why.
Okay. Offer for us today.
Good morning. Madam Echia one lawyer. Mepacho me question bi na me pese me bisa lawyer. Mepacho say makofa me yere free Ghana ba ana me kofa ba almost 3 months ni. Omo kire baby a say ye ba okobo ne nsa. Wakobo ne nsa.
Similar.
Up to now omumfa ne card no MI.
Okay. I'm say a similar nti yen save time kakra. Na Obi say what is wrong with my voice note? But there's nothing wrong. During the so nti mama mo first one no.
Something about good character requirements because nipa ni be mo no nkicha nkrata ana wa ba betine wonya EU ni aware no okita infino how many years now so what's because BTB say aji what's not 10 years what's not 10 years and so when you're indefinite or something I'm a bit confused me pacho mo be church and I say the 5 years no so being indefinite no you was also another 5 years and so when you're a British passport and I'm a bit confused me pacho mo church kakra madam say
Yo, it was seeing you out there me by we be start 3 questions. They can also character good character reference, you know. Suitability and when I would air fan. And the other culture say we will be a call hospital, we are call hospital. Now when they are buying hospital a car and no character no in dimu. And see will be ma or the NHS a car or call hospital. You see, I'm on a bill so in because I'm qualified for free healthcare. And now why ignore near no arrangement in place? Or make me you sue and no against you. Okay. A beer we a HMRC tax. It could be tax evasion. Tax evasion criminal offense. Tax avoidance there, depending on the circumstance, you know. If it is a willful avoidance, then you are not doing the right thing. But if a normal avoidance there, and TB now what the tax cut, and I said what try play games with tax, and now I come say what the car yes ya try won't ya, and also no yes to buy bonny no ebino no, and only ni akaka ho obefa criminal side na ade na no, but me sure say unye our criminal issues it might be a health and I say tax and this ayama no. Nti example ni bi na me de amawo no. Na wo se wunye ofi Ghana no baaye na odi benya bibi wa ha sa no kan ye. Nti na kire se obaaye no na yame bi ekwan na ni hia ne dofo.
Ni power na ye yi ni.
O hia ne dofo na odi ware ye. Yame ncha de ne dofo no ewo automatic pass. Santi odi bi kata no so and now I'm 5 years. The South automatic person is a EU ninty, or no be EU family member. And Tina just say, also ultimate na higher than a application. Now, Tamo Modi a man no, Tamo Modi a warrior no, 2 things. And this say a warren a mawaru or krum ha, and no Modi adena mano, and now 5 years, obey we know another 5 years. Not just say, you back counting from the data or Modi a warrior no. Because on that basis, you know, we now will call the next 5 years, you know, so because your man will be, I'm say, a man, as a pre-settled, you know, and I say, and so we'll count the years towards the settlement, and I say, naturalization now, you are looking at 10-year threshold, you know. Okay. And now, we said 3rd question, now.
No, another voice note. I'm afraid I know answer.
Something about good character requirements.
I'm saying no unya into or send it to us. So 07950 422-780. Or says the same thing with us. Okay. Or say our 10-year parent route. No, so in the first 2.5 years in the demand of 2013, the biometric card was issued on the 15th of August.
That's the one we read.
Oh, you can't know
Yeah,
that.
16 July 2013 and 15 August 2013.
Lawyer is smart too. Okay. Obetimi ade wo message no so ato platform no so wo Facebook Facebook BWF Solicitors and YouTube BWF Solicitors. But I will text and WhatsApp on about 07950422780. It's like anyway. Or say I have a common law partner in South Africa and 2 minor daughters, and I'm a family member of EU. I have a pre-settlement status. How can I bring them to the UK?
Yo, that's it. You or the asemi about say or pre-settled status. UK has say. One can't of us who didn't pre-settled status. No. I say I am a common law partner in South Africa. Into our worry was South Africa. Our customary marriage, quite so South African remu, or one kalami nu ema na yami eshrano ema nebenya EU settlement status. Or your South African, I don't know how obenya EU settlement status. And
now we say what South Africa. But what would they buy? If you can give us a further clarification, either our Facebook page and also, and I'll be sending in text 07950422780 now.
So let's put it this way. Then let me improvise. So this is my opinion based on my analysis of what is missing.
Okay.
I want to believe said Nipano ebenya pre-settled status or tikromo because we share odofubi ewo ekromo ha. Na so we share odofubi wo krom ha na ode fa so benya ya as a spouse of new nedofo no a I want to believe say ojai aware and say ye ma no. Because when to me improve say we jai aware first one I don't know about the South African common the customary law no in terms of divorce position and the marriage position no, but I want to believe say because so to me meet requirement no mo dey pre-settled no either a man no see I know I dey pre-settled we no amano no only for example ne dofo no na ete no odofo first one no efisin ni mu yemfa ne saa
okay
nkwala mienu na ehia won sisie se nkwala no ye obi emo ye wo hio ye ne ma
because of our
to me akof I application say okofa ne mba no efiden amanone ayeden aba because you see no wo pre-settled status what be relevant person under the provisions no na wonu a ware wo yire ewo krom ha no wo yire no betumi efua wo so na wo de akofa wo eden wo ma no a omo ye wo yire no the step where children no aba.
Okay.
But I don't know because of one EU passport holder no. I just saw here no under appendix FN.
Okay.
Yeah, more entry clearance. Okay. So also meeting requirements na ya boboso and then one say we go will buy there. So why just here?
Okay.
I'll
say my father brought me to the UK.
So ne papa no EU ni.
I think so.
All right. So ne papa no EU ni na odinya ne pre-settled da. O papa betumi akofa na nanom no.
Enso de aba.
But papa ntumi nkofa nase no emba. Nti ono betumi akofa na yire aba.
Na papa na kofa na nanom
na aba. Yes anso a ono betumi ayede akofa na yire ne ne ma mienu no ayede aba because say ono agina no so akofa ono angese nkuta passport no. Ontumi meet EU threshold no.
Tobeko.
Nipo betumi meet a passport holder no ye ne papa no.
Oh, okay.
Na ne papa as an in-law. So you show pa in-law is part of the family. Close family no. Enti obetumi papa no betumi akofa ni in-law no ayede. E make applications akofa ni in-law aba on the basis say on ne ba no e wo direct relationship. Na ne ba no ne yire eno no. Enti ne ba ne oyire no.
We just said we are mass or class.
Any papa
Lawyer ni oti
any papa nye mom be straightforward sir.
Yeah, say your man say options no Enti yenwe if it is your desire to have a go place, you have two options. You try it yourself and see what happens, or you come and see lawyers who can have their skills to help you.
Mami, come on. Also, we could be done. Okay, but in fact, this one, and you have a quiet quiz and so. But also what thing now? I say, good evening, lawyer Nebrako. Now, Tina Michelle didn't come. I've made an application for replacement of biometric card about 5 months now. I did not hear anything from the Home Office. I'm saying, Canada. A reasonable search.
Delays no air cost sir. Until senior kind of bet me, I remind no. Say a D 5 months, call near dear. Better remind no one. To me, I can say a beba, sir, but so. On reminding which my remind no open so which my train say okay be over the next month a baba na we take it from there but bibi and so quite say over remind
lawyer bibi etwa madwene mo sesia na me sana chere me won say December 2020 sa EU settlement schemes deadline family members extended family members omo betimi a year application as so canapa in-laws no extended family members on between
so okay can't who a friend say I'm gonna say so this nimpa we to say senior nebano and I say nebano abaware a year mami a friend say we mami we abaye ne in-law
okay
Inti yeshumwa sa ne ba no.
So you can make that argument, but technically
we are looking at the relationship.
Okay.
Yeah.
So nanano be family close family just because we nana won't me into nchini. And then me masi me ba ayere. Tina yenua ba Kate or your royal household member. Ye mame ne nana no ebinu no because we are worrying nana no
okay
yeah papa Charles ne ba no
okay mama if we ne yen quiz no so can I bring my partner along with me from Ghana if I've gotten tier 2 visa, and will my partner be giving work permit as well, and can I bring my kids as well or tier 2 obetimi the partner back from Ghana na yebema ne partner no work permit na and afi or the nkwala na betimi aba say nkwala na dey falls within or leave but limited because tier 2 obviously say limit also question was say can I bring my partner along with me from Ghana if I've gotten tier 2 visa, and will my partner be giving work permit as well, and can I bring my kids as well?
Right. Nti nipa we work permit. Our the work room ha. Nti so work permit here obetumi am aye application ma we yere abede abeka wo. So we jam kwala so wo echira obetumi aye application ma kwala so aye de abeka wo. Okay.
Now in the partner no yebema no work permit because one the work permit na ba. The partner no ba o ye allowed to so be adwuma.
Nti ono no a se nia nipa no wo no na ye hwe ye de ma wo. Nisanka o ye student a man a permit, but because there is Nipoy student into me age more than 20 hours in any account. But on your student, on bet to me any allowance, or bet me I am more than a student into me. The Nimpo ya or ye family member of Obia or permission to work and work permit. Work permit in the share their manos. Be a work permit normally a Bemao period. To be a contract near 2 years, a work permit for 2 years, and also have a man with duration, no, sir, ara.
Well, I was here, say, yet, Abbey, Nanichi Moa, I don't know, a brano, and na air call. Now, quiz and address. Now, okay, also a question.
We, maybe or they hammy. Yeah, it do winter, na yes, reno, say, or no question, now or no shit. Inti a crocro na meja wenya branti bi wo Italy na pese eja o matwetwe nkomo benche just about busumi ni emu eni ni ewe so ko a branti na wo Italy no so
no mo pese mu biti awon deadline
this year
we entrim Brakuku.
Yes.
I'm say about a year other yes you try a share close for no ne more better hono a ya na home office for no etumi use technicality e dey even though who argue say oh me master there say you hwemu anka me ba no but ayo mu use technicality pa ntibo komo no we the court to cry no mo argue say emrano and as a definition no say santi we cannot move it further into especially yenua no a ode ne question no eba earlier on say oba no ne nkwala no wo South Africa no definitely yenim say 31st deadline no was for extended family members and after that no up to June no a year close family and for now no se nipa no wo abonten a obetumi aide akofa no provided so or a close family but because most of the time no ya no mo argue ni or want to find any excuse to deny no no more my technical point say yes nipa no in law no we can say we ban no but there is a ceiling first level before the next one and nipa we your chance now obetumi aye application or nanga say obetumi aye an application no obetumi akọ direct now we an application for ne yere no ene ne nkwala mienu no
okay
nti the only thing is that because uncle cha passport no enti I just saw no say under the appendix FM provision no and no at least requirement na wo hono bodoso but at least utumi meet ni nyina umintumi fa technicality bia ye den
I'm fine but you omo person omo biti awon
me ma wenya branch
ma men kan fefefesi ma men ho ache na ache na branch bi aba na brabo mu na be winter be 10 ni nyina ono ko ane de winter we be free November ekono o madarama ne ho be ton pa but branch no ntwa o Italy
so jono kra oni bi
obende
okay nti yama mi ayeka na semi we share
on British
ono ye British ni na we share no dofo
omo ye internet love no sa say say twatum
omo ware
David photos
no British ni
mama ni British me mama ni British
all right let me pause in and say root ni no British dia British no yem bi say the ben na worry ye na the ben na register ye no ade no nti say na yire I mean we share no dofo na omo ehhehye aware no eba suwie na omunya aware no so evidence by registration no a obetumi aye ono na application no na wakwa akofa na iden ne kunu no efi oman no a
we ebefa proxy ni mu ho
cause obema no Italy
obema no ewo
Italy
ena ono nso ewo ahase nti ebusuafo mienu no a ewo fie no ena omegine mu aye amano na isi ne ewo mu se so wie na oye na application no a wawaro no but bibi owo no se onkuta hwe
nti o se opekwan bi so ko Ghana ba
onkuta hwe no ofa ne sign ena ode aye nti nse we your application we ka che say oman a wo mu no we be your application wo da akoye akojoine oba no ewo eho no nti ya worry ewo Ghana proxy marriage that's fine na wo be your application obe your application efi Italy and so obe your application na iden efi Ghana nti so your application no efi Italy a wo di tumu a say ono anka say
so no Italy oni we o
na make no baby o no oni hwe oni hwe and because of oni hwe nti to make application me ko join me wife ewo UK no just like we a student now we person obeka say kokuru na kwaje den
oh okay
nse wo
nti kede tetia mu pa no ko ompekwan bi nkopie Ghana na na me fa
say awaro no eba so na bibia di adanse sa awaro no eba so a ye mami oye adwuma no ade obetumi akofa no dia ene obe no betumi ayede ekoginem na ono kra no eginem as one person owo Ghana obehwe na awaro no ayede yadi awara no
Eyo ba no ma me no
so ma me do wa ha be ma no na
okay
issue ewo eho no
okay
ngi so no ko ifie a awara na abeso at least nipa ba ko ho a obe den obe sign wo no ani din mu ma me no ebusuafo ejina mu aye den ama no owie a na certificate na ye ready no or the aye atum
okay
and so betumi abo no
Eno, Miss Rao, we mentioned your BT deadline is straight. When I, my babette, pronounce you say, yeah, not just say. I was for a brass say, your coffee, your quiz, no, a day, a bro, no, sample pepe, a war, UK. Now, yes, shall see, no, your Kai was say, your war, a year. Proxy marriage, and then I mean, lawyers say a proxy marriage or civil partnership is where one of the contracting parties has appointed someone, a proxy, to represent them in the ceremony. The determination of the validity of such a marriage entered into abroad is divided into two categories: the formal validity of a marriage, that is ex loci celebrations, and B, the essential validity of a marriage. We CB Brazil na lawyer for no can be brebe na ho bi ene akopochere ede aba no. Hweni ye. Fi weni pa. Fi weni o. Me quiz no na me de bre wo no na de me ba bebisa ene question me de ebe. Na. Obe quiz ni bi na.
Seba so say ya kan.
Oh, be kan mum. There me also want to be. Okay, lawyer, but me copy my question no. Ede ava odarema. Okay, question no enie. The yebisa NSA. Samuel Semensa, Ghana ni oba UK ha in June 2019 with a visitor's visa. But now, the parents who were British citizens of Babisra, whilst in the UK, he met Angela Okay, we'll meet Angela in Canada. An EU citizen from Germany and started a relationship. 2019, August 20th. Samuel and Angela were under customary marriage laws at the Ghana High Commission in the UK. He was represented by his parents, and he was represented by his parents, and she was represented by her aunt. Samuel made an application for leave to remain as a family member of a relevant EU citizen. The Home Office, however, refused his application for not meeting eligibility requirement. What is the likely reason why Samuel's application was refused? A. Because Angela enye Ghana ni and unqualified so obey worry under Ghana customary marriage laws. And until he refused na. Samuel came to the UK with a visit visa which had expired at the date of the marriage. Time I know worry na watna amana bruso. And until yemfa an application emma na say granted. Samuel and Angela's customary marriage is invalid because it was performed at the Ghana High Commission in UK instead of Ghana. Yes, sir. Obi pam obi na Odimirika kopie Ghana High Commission no Ghana ni. Ehon wo wura Ghana asase so nti mra de bedi ne be Ghana mra na say ye begina tumu ha. UK police fo ntimi nkoche na je say omanya permission. Nti so ko ware wo ho so kan kanya bad. Because Samuel and Angela did not wear kente cloth at the anyway. Okay, anyway, I'm having 5 and then come on, none of the above.
One shaking tint, no.
Auntie, more answers, no. Winchanti na yonko. A1, and I say A. Because Angela is not a Ghanaian and does not qualify to marry under Ghana customary marriage laws. B. Because Samuel came to the UK with a visit visa which had expired at the date of the marriage. C. Samuel and Angela's customary marriage is invalid because it was performed at the Ghana High Commission in the UK instead of Ghana. And D. Because Samuel and Angela did not wear kente cloth at the marriage ceremony. So that question, answer we meaning the other by. Okay, yeah, we saying. Now he must upon my good evening, but you say.
Oh, Nana me so.
Okay. Because we be answer na afede. Nana ya very much say a C. C as saying is invalid because it was performed at the Ghana High Commission and yet Ghana. My boat as saying
na say Ghana High Commission. Ujina Ghana ana.
Well, you could be a lawyer for. Now you must upon say B. Now you must upon B. B nature say someone came to the UK with a visit visa which had expired at the date of the marriage. Of so DNA Rebecca say a B. Okay, Rebecca say a B. Young share Letitia Asante or say a B. Okay. Eric Kwabena Yeboah say a C. Okay. Louisa, what's the sound? A B. Okay.
I come.
A B. And you promise. Promise is to say A B. Keep them coming. I say text me B and then me phone so me answer. Okay. Mom, the by money I say B. Okay. So lawyer, me go answer number and answer ubechim.
Yo, I'm saying.
Obi ama and you how say C Abena apples. Wow. That's a name. C, because Ghana High Commission does not have license to perform marriage ceremonies in the UK. Okay, lawyer. Yeah, okay.
Yo, I'm saying earlier on, you go through nugget, you know. It's true, we say, on my biara no, I will not worry and share.
Okay.
Na on my fofro, as I say, edges are in share. Na samo worry na mumienu na ewo man foforo mu na mo worry dia and the baby a mo worry no so ebe hia say homra no so e den follow that will form the essential part abama worry no e valid.
Okay.
Enti ye share ye nuanum yi a edi kan no you can see say go back to A no a na enti a A no.
Okay.
We should see because Angela is not a Ghanaian and does not qualify to marry under Ghana customary law. Ghana Mrano Makwan said, Utimi Ware Oho. Emani so answer and also case law is supported Asmah.
Okay.
Now we call being or say someone came to the UK with a visit visa which had expired at date of marriage. And no cannot be the main offense reason. Yeah, yes, and say customary marriage no omo ye no omo de call ye no valid and I say and valid and yen stay here then or and I say
mom can be in the team.
So what I say now you call friend say see no eswa or say Samuel and Angela or my warren no entimi ye then entimi ye valid I didn't know entimi ye valid because baby omo worry ye no hye na e ho no akwaya to say omo endi ni na eso santa aware no ehho aye den aka bibi then aba aware no ho omo ware wo kronum omo mi na wo kronum na omo ware e wo kronum oman no mu na oman no even though omo ware wo high commission e wo Ghana for Ghana high commission wo krom ha no Ghana high commission no aja aware no ni license on be aware to me dey den e de ware e man ye Ghana buy to me ware man ye e de ma wo.
But who could be close to our high commissioner and also embassy in Timing?
Say embassy person yeah, definitely they will apply for license. Say we want to be able to officiate or grant we I say. Into shall Chrome had no more one yeah, your designated locations so you to me a worry or home and ye. Tin baby no bet me
Aqua.
True. Just say oh worry Chrome ha. Na one worry wo on amfa krom ha emra so an worry a na wo fa say wo kra wo fa wo mra wa Ghana mra so worry a we also have to look at krom ha mra no then I can find location of marriage. Okay. Because of Ghana High Commission want to I say okay fine Ghana mra no makwan say mutuma worry mani ye marriage proxy no na ade na mbom Ghana High Commission ho na mokọ worry no kwan ben na e wo ho a mutumi age aware and man so more officiate here my registration.
My favorite answer no. Number 4.
Anti
yeah,
I'm saying answers maybe more.
and said that our validity neither. Because I say the person was refused because they did not meet the requirement. And we shall kente enka requirement per se. I don't know, we can say odd one out.
Okay. In the answer, no, senior lawyer, Eddie Bayer, and you highlight it. Read Samuel and Angela's customary marriage is invalid because it was performed at the Ghana High Commission in the UK instead of Ghana.
Apples, mama, applause.
Okay. Mamuti here no. Ebinum de omo de. Ese sound my journey or me phone no say. Bibi ese sound me but
the Ghana High Commission edgy license to officiate marriages. Obey to me. And
license no engine wo Ghana. Also engine wo say. Nti your mind we grant license say it me worry how many year there. That's like council if you go worry how many year. Then
me suspect say omo applying for more.
Can I trap prosy
or requirement so
yeah isn't na kind yeah be prosy pa o many be dia won keke okay abusia for enne nkoma ye die no dodo na efa eye ekwan a say o limited leave to remain na obetimi ade wo ba aba UK na fi waba aba be ka wo ho na yenua penny lawyer Asmah eboa yen ema nkomo no eye de pa sanso so na menua na mayitin ebaye ema yeto ade ebro lawyer na fi oyia no na and one very exciting thing about lawyer and it's a question yeah bisa na second part ni refi but okay ni nyina we yi ni nyina no eno unya no ba bia se eye BWF Solicitors omo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so our Seven Sisters, North London. Ufa train now we see our Seven Sisters on the Victoria line, 4th floor of the Anna House. Nansana media seda any idea everybody. Mami call lawyer na fi. Omone tofa sima emfa emma na fi impede lawyer.
Yo, but that's baby before yebebo tofa no. Sanya yenim no EU emrano ensesan aba bebre enti obi a otie bia nim say o ye extended family member wontumi and your application biem because of 31st deadline na the same manner etwemu no Sarah enso na say wo krom na 1 year by end of June so na chese nso etwemu nti na chese ne aka no eye won a omoye close family members no na close family members no so emra no define no clear Santi wo ye application a obehwe say nipa no close family member na say ekobasa wo stay and say leave na uni EU passport no a eya na bebre no ope nia wo hia obetimi de aye a echi biara den embem enti obehwe say wo status no settled. But say we status no settled. And no eboawo ema winya extra advantage and also opportunity because say wanga say unkutia passport na wo stay no see settled no enti na chere say obetumi aye wo application no ebia wanga say opese wugina wo so na kofa wo family close family members no obviously you have to do it under appendix FM no but turn between pre-settled status and settled status no it's often the case say settled status no eboa bebre ema wotumi application no na omuntumi enu endi no wewe enti say wo pre-settled status ebeboa say ube twen na wo settled status na afidie you wouldn't need family member na wujano so ya wode no wa obetumi ejina wo so na wode ato enkra ama from ye close family member no abe joining nti hano ni the last beta ye pese ye de toa EU aspect no so yo in a nutshell today we have discussed how to make
an entry clearance application to bring a child to the UK if you are already in the UK as a parent or a partner of a parent and want to bring the child over to join you. We've said that you need to meet certain requirements. The child must be outside the UK, you have to make a valid application and you have to meet the eligibility requirements and suitability requirements. That's the child. Eligibility requirements means that you have to have enough to be able to cover maintenance. And we said that there is, because we are bringing child or children, there is case law formula for assessing the maintenance threshold or amount. Now, in terms of the relationship, you have to show that the child is under 18 years. You have to show that the child is not married. You have to show that the child has not formed an independent family. And you have to show that the child is not leading independent life. You also have to show that the parent making you the parent or your partner has limited leave to remain. And you also have to show that the child, of course, is under 18 years but not British, or a child who is an EU citizen, or a child who has settled status with no restriction to enter the UK. On that basis, you know that you have met all the requirements. There are two requirements that you also have to look at. Sole responsibility. The parent or the partner of the parent bringing the child must prove that the parent in question who is in the UK has sole responsibility for that child. In this case, the parent must have enough evidence to show that the other parent is no longer or has not been playing any role in the child's life. This is fact sensitive, and therefore it is important that you have enough evidence to make your case. There's also the other limb, which is serious and compelling family considerations, showing that the child must be given the opportunity to join you, and therefore exclusion will not be reasonable. In this case, you have to have enough evidence to show that the child's life is in danger, there is imminent harm, and other things that can affect the child's growth and development. You also have to show that you have arrangement in place to ensure that when the child comes, you have every opportunity to be able to support the child without any issue. So if it's a matter of somebody who is not taking care of the child well, when the child comes, what have you got in place to show that the child will be taken care of well, even if you are busy and your work will not permit you to be there 24 hours for the child? It might be that you have child-minder arrangement in place, and that will show that, yes, you have made arrangement to support the child when the child comes. So this is what we have covered today. All in all, what we are saying is that please don't hesitate. If you have limited leave to remain and you are able to bring your child, take steps and make application for your child, or seek support for an application to be done on your behalf.
Abusia senior lawyer actually muno obontofa obrofo obontofa ewo yan kan kasemu so ede amaye ena yede dwumedie no ebesi na mbese me kai wo say we have a very juicy program for you same time next week. In fact, starting next Friday and Saturday. We're going to begin the month of October with a very juicy topic. Now, senior partner, BWF Solicitors, Uncle Ben Nankasa, and Ebeba. And meet Uncle Ben on Friday with Mama Yeti on GN Radio. Now, meet Uncle Ben again on the community and the law, together with Na and Oreku Frimpong. It's going to be a wonderful weekend. Apart from that, within the weekend, we'll be bringing you all the bits and pieces. Bema Wate Emrano, I say our nuggets will come out on Monday before 12 noon. Then our question will be set in the realm, say in social media platforms, so say LinkedIn, say Twitter, say Instagram, Nina Ebeba, and Inti Shenanson. Thursday, you know, Ebeshia and war a Rainbow Radio, so Lawyer Eunice, and no Ebeshia on a Prophet Osebre, Ebeshia a war Rainbow Radio. So Friday, Uncle Ben and Nate Namayeti, Ebeshia or GN Radio, so from 9:30 in the morning, and Saturday, 12 noon. Vicky and Lawyer Eunice will be hanging out on Heritage TV. Then 4 o'clock will come with the community and the law. And my special guest, Lawyer Charles Asmah, a solicitor, will BWF Solicitors. Sounds so, and my co-host, na Mayete, the ever smiling. Thank you so very much. And the Professor Ade, and technical bit Ade, and my sounds so, and Yada, Padmo Dudu, I say. Ni designs. Then Sheila Ankra also supported with the administrative work. And I feel BWF Solicitors Ebusian for lawyers and I feel administrative staff and Ebusian for this week was the birthday of Cynthia Brown, and we wish you a happy birthday, Auntie Cynthia. You are the mother of the house, and we're so proud of you. Happy birthday, and may you live to be. How many years? 200? Okay. I was for and Yadimu Ebesi. Yame Aduma, Yabesign, Eshia View. It has been the community and the law.
Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Everybody say